Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 Honda Civic Sport Plus. Now of course you get full LED headlights, daytime running lights, you then also get your front parking sensors, you also get these brilliant 17-inch tinted diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern, as these wheels have been freshly refurbished as part of the vehicle's preparation work. Then coming into the rear, we've got rear parking sensors with a reversing camera just up at the top. Into the tailgate, we have plenty of room inside of here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats, which will fold flat with this level just here. You then also get this brilliant pull-out privacy shelf just here, which will ensure maximum privacy for any belongings in the tailgate, as it does marry up with the cover at the top. Then coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car now, you'll notice we are now on the car's party piece. It has got full bespoke leather with your cream inserts and black accents. You've got Isofix mounting points at the bottom, full electric windows all around, keyless entry and start. And now into the front, you do now notice you get the cream with the blue trim, of course just to give it a little bit more character. Inside, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've then got your Econ, dampers and stop start off. You've got your 6-speed manual gearbox, wireless phone charging pad in the middle, dual climate control with 2 front heated seats, and then of course you have your infotainment display. Now of course you have your satellite navigation. We've then got your Bluetooth hands-free. Then of course your audio just here. As you can see, you've got your various audio sources, and you can also control your climate in here as well. Then over to the steering wheel, we have your volume, onboard computer controls, voice assistant, Bluetooth hands-free. The arrows here work between the infotainment display and the onboard computer. You've got your adaptive cruise control to the right with your lane keep assist and distance control. You've got full automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has done 18,729 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. Now of course you also get your full panoramic glass opening roof as well. But if you do require any further information on this Civic Sport Plus, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.